In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your MailChimp audience. This process is straightforward and can be a game changer for your email marketing strategy, allowing you to back up your contacts, analyze your audience data in depth, or even migrate to another platform. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailChimp account. Start by navigating to the MailChimp login page. Here you're going to enter your username or email associated with MailChimp. After filling that in, the next step is to enter your password. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once that's done, go ahead and click on the login button to access your MailChimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with the MailChimp homepage. Let's not linger here too long. What we're interested in is the audience section. You can locate this option usually on the left-hand side panel or in the current layout of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on Audience. Upon accessing the audience page, you'll need to select the specific audience you wish to export. If you have multiple audiences, make sure to choose the right one that you want to work with. This choice is crucial because each audience holds unique contacts and data that might be relevant for different parts of your marketing strategy. After selecting an audience, look for the options menu depicted by 3 dots or a similar symbol, usually found at the far end next to the audience you've selected. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but what we're aiming for is the export option. Click on export to initiate the process of downloading your audience's data. Finally, you'll be taken to a page where you can confirm the export of your audience. Here you should see an option labeled Export as CSV. Selecting this will prepare your audience data into a CSV file, an accessible format that can be opened with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once you click Export as CSV, MailChimp will commence the export process. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your audience. MailChimp will usually notify you that the process is underway and may even send you an email once the export is complete. The resulting CSV file will contain various pieces of information about your contacts, such as their email addresses, subscription status, and any other custom fields or tags you've associated with them in MailChimp. Keep in mind, handling data with care is essential, especially in today's privacy-conscious world. Ensure that any exported data is stored securely and used in compliance with data protection regulations relevant to your area, like GDPR in Europe, for example. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your audience from MailChimp. This data is now at your fingertips for any analytical insights, backups, or if you're planning to switch to another platform and need your valuable contacts transferred. Remember, maintaining your audience list and understanding your contacts can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts, making engagements more personalized and effective. Whether you're backing up your contact list, analyzing your audience, or preparing to migrate to a new platform, exporting your audience is a valuable skill in managing your email marketing strategy efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to manage your MailChimp audience data better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.